Do you have a low wireless go Deadcat problem?
Must be another way. I know it. Super glue.
Do you like that? Yeah, my fix. Okay, basically, the first solution is you super glue this, and we'll sort out your problem. I super glued like ages ago, and it will never come off unless it's really dry, yeah, but it will rip. But who wants to do that? But you just want to like to secure so you can use it outdoor, right? So with this, I can use it outdoor, no problem. So every time I pick it up, I know it works. There's no wind noise that can jam the microphone. And so we have this on, and I'm safe. This spare one, no problem. We stick it on. If you have no friend, you'll give it away. This one right here. Yeah, the first solution is basically you super glue the raw wireless go Deadcat to the receiver, and that's it. You will never have any problem. Another solution to the raw wireless go problem with the Deadcat is basically you don't use the Deadcat at all. You use a lavalier mic like this one, something like that. Lavalier mic. This one I had ages ago. Still works fine, but you clip it on. This one you need a windshield for outdoor uses, but nowadays since I have this, I don't need this anymore. But you can clip it on like that and use this anywhere, yeah. And clip this onto your collar, your shirt, and this will act like a lavalier mic, and you pick up great sound. And this one clip on your belt, anywhere in front, as long as it has a line of sight. This one should work really fine. The other solution you want to think about is upgrading to a raw wireless go 2. That's right, you can upgrade this to a raw wireless go number 2, but that's like twice as expensive, right? And also, if you are a solo shooter like myself, one man, one woman content creator, this is great value right now. So, but if you do the cheap option that I show you in this video, just super glue the damn thing, and you have no problem, and you still get a great audio quality every time, any situation, indoor, outdoor, doesn't matter. You still get you great audio anywhere, anytime, as long as it's charge. As long as it's charge, okay? Guys, if you like what you've seen so far, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'll make similar content for you guys, okay?